Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is Stefan Masanga with iHeart Wireless. Today we're going to go over how to set up your Smart Mini F11 AirPods. First, you're going to take it out of the case. This is the charging case that it comes with it. There's also a charger in there. 1 click to turn it on, 2 clicks to turn it off. So what we're going to do is a real simple, easy process. You're going to open up your phone. Once you open up your phone, you're going to go into settings. Once you go into settings, go into Bluetooth. Once you go into Bluetooth, you're going to take it out. Once you go into Bluetooth, you're going to scan for the device. You're going to look for F11. Once you find F11, go ahead and pair it. You'll notice it's starting to pair when you start seeing red and blue blinking. And then you'll see on here, it'll say F11 connected. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, iHeartWireless.com. Thanks and have a great day.